So the next topic we're going to cover is inoculation. Inoculation is the process of establishing on the root zone the bacterial and fungal communities that are the symbiotes for the plant. They actually live on the leaf surface as well. They function as the digestive tract of the plant. I like to say that animals have internal digestive tracts and plants have external digestive tracts. Most of the life that we carry in our body lives in our guts, where we digest our food. Most of the bacteria and fungi that live on plants live on their root surfaces and the leaf surfaces. That's where they digest the food for the plant. So we have two major kingdoms we're talking about here, the bacterial and the fungal kingdom. And a lot of our crop plants have fairly similar bacterial and fungal needs. The critical issue is that each of these different families, the saprophytes, the endophytes, the bacilli, there's very many of these different species and different families of species, and they all have different jobs. They function differently in the soil. Some access phosphorus, some tie up lead, some solubilize copper, etc., etc., etc. And for the plant to be healthy, it must have certain of these basic functioning families and species present in its environment for its basic biological system to function. So we do not necessarily get all of these species on the seed that we buy, and we do not necessarily have all of these species in the soil we're planting in or in the potting soil we're planting in. So what I suggest is, in the similar way to a calf getting its colostrum at birth so it can set up its gut, or the baby getting colostrum at birth so it can set up its gut, its digestive tract, that we add the colostrum, functionally colostrum, in this case we call it inoculants, spore forms of different bacterial and fungal species. We add them to the seed at planting. Technically you can take the seed, you can take the inoculants and put them in the seed packet when you get the packet, and then put them away, and they'll still be there if you're using the powdered form of inoculants. Inoculants come in different forms, liquids, dries, etc. But effectively we want a full spectrum of species to be present on the seed surface when the first roots come out. That's where the digestive tract will establish, and if you have a well inoculated plant, it exhibits great vigor and resistance to any number of otherwise dangerous environmental conditions. So we're going to demonstrate inoculation here. I have here a bag of arugula seed, 1 pound of arugula seed, and I have 1 ounce of a mixed mycorrhizal fungal bacterial inoculant. There's also some various minerals and some kelp powder in here. So this is 1 ounce of inoculant. Is good for at least 25 pounds of seed. It costs about $12 or $15 an ounce. So it's 50 cents a pound for seed, which is a fairly nominal cost for the benefit accrued. So I'm basically just going to take a little couple pinches of this inoculant, put them into the bag, close up the bag, and shake it. And now I have my inoculant coating my seed.
Cool.